Welcome to Anubhav. Today we have with us the General Secretary of the Students' Web Committee, Gitanja Manik.
Hi.
So Bhaiya, what were the key roles and responsibilities as the General Secretary of Students' Web Committee?
So, Student Web Committee consists of 5 teams, that is App team, Web team, Design team, Product team and Growth team. So, main responsibility of General Secretary of Student Web Committee is to make the internal functioning of SWC goes fine. So, when we start developing a project, it starts from product research, then it goes to design phase, then it's go to web or app team, whatever we are specifying, and then the final research product is come to us. And along with that, we have to do testing. So, the key responsibility is to make sure that every team is working and collaborating with each other and working fine. Along with that, the other responsibilities are to talk with admin, get the approvals on time, and all the requirements of team at the same time.
Okay. So what were the biggest challenges you faced, be it technical or managerial, and how did you overcome them?
So, in my tenure, we have started going with industrial projects this year. So, we have first industrial project of SWC, that is ICAGRI. That was an international conference occurred in our IIT Guwahati by the civil department block. So, we were contacted for that. But the major problem was there was a short timeline in which we have to deliver the website and app for that. So, that was the biggest challenge. And for that, we have a huge team. We worked overnight to deliver the project on time, and you will be surprised to know that the people who come from Japan and Australia, they have inspired and said that everything was so much automated that they want that thing in their conference too.
How do you think the SWC can further improve its impact on campus in the coming years?
So as you know, in our tenure, we have started the trials of COCA entry and exit. So next tenure, they can improve that thing, and that all the entries, whether it's mess entries or like going out entries, not just the COCA entries or something, that can be improved in a way that all the entries are digitalized and nobody have to write manually the details on the paper. So that can be one of the improvements. And other thing that in the improvements are like in the medical section or in the IPM section or in the complaints part where they can improve.
Okay, so last question. What suggestions would you give to someone contesting for this position?
So contesting for the GS of SWC, the person should remember that it's not someone would come and learn the things and manage the team properly. He should be know how internally SWC works, how all the teams are correlated, and how all the teams work together. So he should have the proper knowledge what task to align when and when to give into the which team. So that much knowledge he should have before contesting for the post of this.
Okay, thank you so much for the interview. It was great.